Understanding Naegleria fowleri, brain-eating amoeba. Amoeba is a unicellular organism that has the ability to change its shape. They are usually found in water bodies such as ponds, lakes and slow-moving rivers. Sometimes, these unicellular organisms can also make their way inside the human body and cause various illnesses. Naegleria fowleri, heat-loving, free-living amoeba commonly found around the world in warm fresh water, like lakes, rivers, and hot springs, and soil. Naegleria fowleri was discovered by Fowler and Carter in Australia as the causative agent of PAM, and named in honor of Dr. Malcolm Fowler, who first recognized the disease. You cannot get infected from drinking water contaminated with Naegleria. You can only be infected when contaminated water goes up into your nose. Contaminated water enters the nose, allowing the amoeba to travel to the brain. Once in the nose, the amoeba travels to the brain and causes a severe brain infection called primary amoebic meningoencephalitis, PAM, which is usually fatal. Naegleria fowleri has 3 stages in its life cycle: amoeboid trophozoites, flagellates, and cysts. The only infective stage of the amoeba is the amoeboid trophozoite. Naegleria fowleri penetrates through the nasal passage, where it adheres to the olfactory nerves and makes its way to the brain through the cribriform plate. The amoeba attacks the olfactory bulb, producing an inflammatory process and leading to brain infection, which is fatal. Symptoms include severe headache, fever, nausea, stiff neck, confusion, seizures, and hallucinations. Prevention is key to reducing the risk of infection.